Oh, thank God you're here. Come on quick. We need to go.
What the hell happened?
I had to leave quickly, because the Duchess's husband just came home.
What do you mean?
My clothes are still up there. Where is your car? Quick. We need to go, now.
Keith, the woman who lives here is 74 years old. Are you having an affair with a 74-year-old Duchess?
Don't be ridiculous, Jazz. She is not 74 until September. Stop chattering and let's go.
How could you, Keith? With an old lady.
I needed some extra cash, okay?
Oh my God, Keith. You are a gigolo.
What? What is a gigolo?
A male escort. A male, person who performs personal services for money.
Look. She was prepared to pay me twice what the local college is paying. So keep your nose out of it, and drive me home.
College? I don't believe it. They have college courses for that now?
They have had college courses for it for hundreds of years. What is your problem?
Well, yes, they do call it the oldest profession, don't they? So, were you able to satisfy her?
No. Her husband put a stop to all that. He hates her paintings. I think she's very talented myself, but he doesn't. He forbids her to paint, so I had to hide.
Wait a minute. You were posing for a life painting?
Yes, I told you that on the phone. What did you think I was doing?
Oh, so you are a life model. Well, that's a relief. But I'm nearly out of gas, and in the rush I left my wallet at home. I don't suppose you have any money on you, do you?
I do, as it happens. I made sure I didn't leave without that. Do you want it now?
Well, forget it. Let's just pray we get home without needing it.